So today I'm going to show you how to install a Pinlock visor. Some people call them anti-fog inserts or anti-fog lenses. They're easy enough to do, but I see people do them wrong quite often. All you're going to need is obviously your visor. Take that off. Some people try to get it on when it's still on the helmet, and you will struggle. You want something to put your visor on, because you don't want to be scratching the outside of your visor on a desk or anything. You're going to want a cloth so you can clean the inside of the visor. If you've got a visor spray, use that. If you haven't got a visor spray, just use warm water to clean the inside of your visor. Don't use washing up liquid or, God forbid, brake cleaner. You wouldn't believe it. Okay, so to start, I'm going to want to just wipe down the inside of the visor. So I'm just going to give it a little spray. This is because the visor insert sticks on the inside of your visor. So if you don't clean it down first, if you've got a fingerprint in there, it's going to be there forever. Just give it a quick wipe down, get the fingerprints off, and then we're ready to go. And then I'm going to pop the visor out of the packaging. So there's two sides to this. The outside is the side that's going to be facing you. The inside has got a small rubber seal. Can you get that focus? A small rubber seal on the inside, and that's going to make like a double glazing effect on your visor. Most people struggle with this because they don't realise how strong a visor actually is. Your visor can be flattened all the way out. It's not going to break. You can turn these inside out before they break, so you don't have to worry about it. You're not going to break it. These are made for crashing. On the sides you've got little grooves, and these little grooves attach straight into these pins on the side here, on the side of your visor. These are called Pinlock pins. So you want to start off, you're going to get one side in. So we're going to get this just attached to the inside of there, and then we're going to flatten the visor right out, pop the lens up a bit, and just slot the other side in, and then let go, and then that'll create a nice seal across the outside here. And you want to make sure there's no grooves coming up on the side here, no little bumps. So this has to be a nice flat seal. And then you want to take this film off. So you won't believe how many people send these back saying that they didn't want this colour, but this is a protective film. And there you go, all sorted.